Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will talk about fractures. Now, just a reminder that all the information that I've seen come up on exams like these that you should really try to pay attention to are bolded and highlighted in blue. Now, let's get into it. We'll start by talking about types of fractures in general. So, a simple fracture is when a bone breaks into two parts with no external communications. And this is also called a closed fracture. On the other hand, a compound fracture communicates with the outside environment, which means that it is an open fracture. It is super important for you to remember here that infections can very commonly occur here because the inside is now exposed to the outside environment. Next off, comminuted fractures are ones where multiple fractures happen on the same bone. And these can be simple